Hello everybody, hi, how are you? Welcome back to my beautiful channel. As you know, I haven't really talked about Fabfitfun. It's been like almost like freaking 4 months. And I finally got the summer box that I'm very fucking excited because I can't wait to open it for you guys. It's already here, so let's grab something to eat, grab a beer, grab a freaking tequila, grab some chips, some hot Cheetos, and let's get started with the video. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, you never seen me before. I don't know why you haven't, But if you never had, just don't forget to subscribe, subscribe. You don't want to subscribe to me. Look how fun I am. I'm so disappointed on you. Anyway, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe down below and let me know what you think about this video by liking this video. And even though we're just at the beginning of the video, don't forget to like. No, wait, I already said that. Comment how nice my hair looks, guys. This is actually my natural hair. There's nothing, there's no oils, nothing. This is what my hair looks like. It's freaking ugly. Haven't put anything, but yeah, that's how my hair looks. Look at this. It's wavy and it's long. Anyway, so let's start with the video. Oh my god, I'm so excited because it's summer. It's actually summer. I hate summer, but we got the summer box here. Oh, it's heavy. Here, it's the summer box. Look at this. It's so freaking big. I can't even see myself with this. But here, I almost dropped it. But I don't know why it came like this. It's so weird. But let's open it up. Now, where's my knife? Nah. Okay, well, actually opened it already. So let's do some ASMR. I don't know how to put that. I put a little tape. Oh shit, my hair. Okay. Alright. Let's see what's inside here. Alright, well, I forgot about this, but they sent me this. Now, this is like a bundle. I don't know why I got it, but I still did. It's the Hydrating Serum and the Hangover spray. I always wanted to try it, so here you go. That's what they sent me. I don't know how much it was. There's paper. I don't want to make a mess. Okay, no. Okay, so there's nothing. This doesn't say any price, so let's put down the Fabfitfun box. I just dropped it. I dropped everything. So here we have a bundle. Now this bundle is from Too Faced, and I don't know why I got this, but I've been always wanted to try it. All I did was just when I think checking out their items and stuff, so I got this one. I like the little bag. Okay, so we have here the setting spray, and here we have ultra replenishing hydrating serum. Let's open them up. I'm so excited to get this. I always wanted to try it, but it's a serum, good and bad. Hydrating serum, French skin with moisture day and night. The supercharged replenished serum. Wow, I've never heard about this product from Too Faced. But it's a serum. I think you can use it day and night, which is actually pretty cool. I'm so excited to try this. Oh my god. I am so excited. So it's made of coconut water, dragon fruit, and vitamin. It says here to drench skin with moisture day and night with the supercharged replenishing serum that works in and out of bed to deliver the ultimate lit from within healthy growth. I feel new. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It smells like coconut. Okay, yay. I wonder if I can use this as a primer. I don't know, I gotta check. Next item is gonna be the setting spray. I always want to try the setting spray. Oh god, it's so big. Ooh, I always want to try it. Yay! Look at this, how big the bottle is. Like, it's very, very big. And this one is a weightless 3-in-1 coconut water infused mist that primes, sets, and refreshes makeup while it helps keep skin fresh. Let's try it out. I don't have any setting spray, no. Oh, it smells like coconut. Oh, it smells actually like coconut, and my vision is so much better right now. It healed me. Now that we're done with the 2 items, we're gonna go straight ahead to the box. Yay! So here is summer box. It's so much bigger. Look at that. It's freaking big. 16 times 15 times 8. I don't know what that is. Oh, wow, there's numbers here. It says Kid 2002. Huh, I wonder what that is. Okay, let's open it up. Whee! Okay, so we have here the, I think it's a newspaper. Does it mention what I have here? Oh no, I don't think there's some of the items. I don't know, I'm always... Anyways, let's begin. Okay, first item we have here, and it is upside down. It's a Isaac Mizrahi Love So Sienna. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know, I didn't pick this, they picked it for me. But I actually love this mason jar. It's so pretty. And the price of the product is actually $28. So let's open it up. When I show my husband, because I already opened it, I show him and I was like, he's like, wow, that is pretty. Look at, oh, I love this. I love this rose gold jar. Look at this. Look at that. And you can, oh my god, I love this. Not lying, I'm not lying, but look at this. It's so it says here that they teamed up with the fashion designer Isaac Mizrahi to create our latest collection of string desk accessories. So you can also like follow them right there. But this is so beautiful. Like I will like actually like add some flowers, fake flowers. Like it's actually really nice. I'm gonna put it next to my right here, even though you guys don't see it, but I'm actually gonna put that there. Because it's beautiful. It will look really nice with some white flowers and like, yeah. Okay, so next thing I have here is actually this lunch bag. At first I thought it was gonna be small, but look how big. Brand is called Business and Pleasure, but it's a big lunch bag, and this is crazy. I thought it wasn't gonna be so big. So actually, I am a little like, I should have got this. I was like, should have picked something else. But I just like how it's insulated in the inside. I was thinking, oh my god, I'm gonna get it for my, you know, take it to work. But damn, this thing is huge. Look at that. And you know what? I only have like this bento box, which is small. Cause like doing like, you know, this thing is huge. But yeah, I'm still gonna use it. You never know. But yeah, I'm gonna. Now this lunch bag is actually priced on $60. $60. I wouldn't pay $60 for this. I wouldn't. No. But it's pretty. Very pretty. Now, this is something I just can't believe I got this. I can't believe this. But this is a Silky Pillowcase. I never I am like, why did I get this? It says boost your sleep, beauty sleep. So it's a Silky Pillow Sleep is designed to help you retain moisture in your skin and hair, so you wake up looking feeling refreshed. So I'm gonna try it on in my pillow, so see what the buzz is about. And it's silky. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. I mean, it feels nice. It feels really nice. So I'm gonna give it a try, and I'm gonna tell my husband to give it a try, and let's see how it goes. Because I'm not gonna lie, I sometimes wake up sweaty, especially right now that it's very, very hot. So I'm gonna use it and give you guys an output of how it. Alright, so this is an item I actually picked. So it's the Kate goat's milk. Oh, one more thing. The pillowcase is priced on $29.99. That's okay. Now this one, the Kate goat's milk, goes for $65 fucking dollars. $65. So we're gonna see what it goes. So growing up with anemia, my mom will put goat's milk in my bed. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish. So AM and PM, apply an even layer to clean skin of clinically tested to be for sensitive skin, and they're cruelty free. So let's open this tab. It feels like goat's milk. I'm gonna use this tonight and see how. So it's like, look how clean it lives. Very, very soothing. Product goes for $65. Damn. Oh, I gotta say, product. It's a hand cream. Okay, this is actually I'm actually okay with this. It's made of coconut and verbena, infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan. It's a hand cream. I know we've been putting a lot. I mean, at work I put a lot of hand sanitizer because I work with customer service. In between those things, I will put this. It's a hand cream. So let's see. It smells very, very good. And it goes really. Ooh. Feels really good. Yeah, it smells very, very good. Ooh, okay, so this product, Angela's Signature Hand Cream, will help soothe, nourish, and hydrate your hands and cuticles. What is that? I'll be taking this product to my work, so I'm gonna need this. And I love the packaging. The packaging is very, very pretty. I am very, very eager to try this. And it's makeup drop, hydrating makeup applicator. It's only $20. This is very, very cool. I just love the design. So here it has the fluffy, and here it comes with this. Cool. It's a very cool innovation. I never tried this before, but it's so cool. Let me see. Ooh, it feels nice. And another part, yeah. So this product goes for $20, and it's from Makeup Drop. I love the packaging, how it comes with. I never thought I'd be actually getting in a beauty blender. Well, actually a sponge. It's a silicone pad plus blending sponge. Now that's an innovation. I'll be trying this out. I'm not kidding. This is so cool. Never thought I'd be using something like this. So now that's actually like really nice that they sent me this product. Ooh, okay, so here's another product, and this one is from Winky Lux. I already got something from Winky Lux on last, I believe it's Springbox. I think I already got something from Springbox, which was on the last. This one, it's, ooh, I just love their packaging. And it's, oh, sweet. It's Unibrow, Universal Brow Pencil. How much is this product? Product goes for $16. And it's so cool. You can just do your brows. Oh, the application is very, very good. And then the color right here. The application is it looks very, very good. Yeah, I'll be loving this product. I can't wait to use this product. When I saw that I was getting something from Winkelux again, I was like very excited because their products are really good. I know they sell them at Target, but using this product again, the other lip gloss was actually really cool because it would change the color. For this and for the eyebrow, it's gonna be really nice to use. Here's another product that I actually chose myself, and it's the wireless charging pad. Goes for $35. I love the design on this product, on this charging pad. Look at that. That is so pretty. It's floral. It's cute. It's pink. I love pink. And I have on my phone. I have an iPhone 8, so just put it in here. It will charge it pretty fast. I love using wireless chargers because actually plugging it in on the cord, it actually wastes. I work on cell phones, so it wastes the connection. So actually using it, and then it comes with the cable, and I love the color of the cable. It's so pretty. Actually, at my work, I always charge it on a wireless charger, and I was about to buy one, so I was like, maybe I'll wait. And then notification to choose what we're gonna get, and I got this. And the price is not that bad, $35. It looks actually gonna look really cute charging it on my charging pad, because you know, pink phone. Pink pad, yes. And I believe that's it. I went through the whole box and there's nothing missing, nothing hidden, everything's right there. And I'm like, oh, I'm so sad. I feel like this month actually got less items than the other month. Some things excited me, some things didn't. I didn't give me the wow factor like I would figure it would do, because you know, Fabfitfun is actually a big box, and I wasn't really excited. I didn't get much makeup, only than the makeup. Actually didn't get anything, even though I have a lot of makeup. But actually, Fabfitfun, I mean, it only happens 4 times a year, and that's the excitement about it. That you never know what's gonna come in next. I think next it should be Atom, yes. So I can't wait to see what I get on the next box, because I'm very excited, because you know I love cozy weather. Autumn and winter. I love those months. Autumn, winter, and spring. Summer, I don't like summer at all. But there you go. That's my Fabfitfun unboxing. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the products, what you think about the product shots, what you think about this, you know, how I show you the items. Let me know in the comment section how I got a little bit better. Let me know. If you like what you've seen, please don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think about it. And, you know, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Let me know what you think. Liking this video makes me so happy. Follow me on social media. I'll be doing some shots about this product. Follow me on Instagram to know what I think about this box. My other unboxing, I'll be doing it on Instagram. So if you follow me, just check it out. And also, if you've been a long time subscriber, comment below if you would like a starter box. If you would like a starter box, comment below. You must be subscribed first, so I'll be checking. I'll check if you're not subscribed. You have to be subscribed in order to get my starter box. It's only $5. You have to subscribe to my channel and be following me on Instagram. So you have to let me know on the comment section if you're all done. Let me know in the comment section. Send me your email. Write down your email and I'll let you know. Type I want my starter box. So you have to comment below I want my starter box so I can send you one. But you have to make sure your email that you're sending me is not associated with that before Fabfitfun, because if you have a Fabfitfun with that email or you already were subscribed before, it won't let me send you a starter box. So you have to make sure that you're not associated with that email is not associated with Fabfitfun. So you have to double check before telling me that you want a starter box, okay? And also in the link below, you have if you like to get Fabfitfun, let me know in the comment section. I have a affiliate code with them, so you guys can click on there. You get $10 off, I believe, subscribing with them. So $10 off, my code in the bottom. The link in bio. So yay, discount. So, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. Bye.